Yeah, guys, what's up guys? So I made this video yesterday. I posted this strategy yesterday, and this is it, guys. We're using it to kill step index market right now. We're using it to kill step index right now. You can check it up, you can look it up. So yesterday I was going to show you how you use this strategy to scalp the boom and crash market. Sorry, to catch spikes on the boom and crash market. And I mentioned I was going to show you how to use it to scalp too. So I'm going to do that on this video. All right, if you go to the previous video yesterday, you will see how to use it to catch spikes. All right, so I'm going to post this strategy and I'm going to update you guys on how to use this to take a couple of candlesticks from the boom and crash. As you can see right now, we are using the same strategy to murder the step index market. All right, we are in massive profit right now, and all you have to be aware of is your key levels. All right, you know how to apply price action, and then these powerful indicators just gonna be there to help you make further confirmations, and then you take a lot of money from this market, guys. As you can see, guys, as you can see, we are already hit our TP1 and we are waiting to smash our TP2, which is going to happen in the next couple of, we are very close to our TP2 to start with. Yeah, so I'm going to quickly show you guys how to make money using this strategy, to scalp the boom and crash market. Yesterday I showed you how it works for catching spikes, so I'm going to be showing you how it works to take candlesticks. Right, so before then, guys, I want you to do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos it will get to you as soon as I post it. So yep, drop good reviews. All right, if you have been using my strategies and it's been working for you, drop good reviews, thumbs up this video so that it will enable others to see it fast and also benefit from this. So I'll quickly show you guys how to set up these indicators for those who has not seen the video that I posted yesterday. All right, so this is it. It's simply how is this? All right, you simply click here. All right, for newbies, you click there and it will take you here, and you simply add moving average on your main chart. All right, so these are the settings. I need you to screenshot it so that you can set it up when you are comfortable. All right, period 21 moving average, shift close, method exponential, apply to close. Right, styles, you can see I used 4 pixel and black color. All right, you want to use the colors that are very visible on your screen so you don't get to be looking at it like an albino. Okay, so this is it. You click done when you're done with that. All right, and then you go back and add the second one. The second moving average is 50 period moving average, shift close, method exponential, apply to close. You see the styles, 4 pixel. All right, so like I said, use colors that will make you not be looking at your screen like you have eye problem. All right, very visible colors. When you are done with that, you simply click done. I'll show you how this works. It works every single time. All right, I'm using it right now to murder the step index market. I'm using it right now for this, and you can see we've been making profits ever since we entered this market. Right, the VIPs are winning, guys. The VIPs are winning. That's very important to me. People that are in my VIP channel, they are very happy, and that makes me happy too. All right, because all we do is make money on that channel, and we make much more money every single day. All right, we use these simple strategies, guys. We use these simple strategies. Like I said, it's important to always apply price action. So you need to know your key levels, right? You need to know what the market is doing. You need to know the market condition. All right, for catching spikes, you need to have your you need to go to your higher time frame and make sure that you are for boom, right? You need to make sure that you are on the your market is heading to the upside, right? That means you have to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and all of that. If you are trying to catch spikes on crash, you need to make sure that the market is in a downtrend, and then you will be looking to see series of lower lows and lower highs, right? So it's very important that you apply price action. All right, if you don't know, about price action, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp, my direct WhatsApp number, so that you don't have any issues reaching out to me. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the description of this post. All right, so you can chat me up, and then you can enroll in my mentorship program. It's very affordable, and yes, we are still running our promotions because my birthday is tomorrow. So we are still running our discount, 50% discount on mentorship and VIP signals. It's very affordable. It's very affordable, and it's very good for you to join us because we are winning. Let me take you to our Telegram so you can see for yourself how we're winning. Excuse me. All right, you can see for yourself how we're winning. All right, I just dropped the analysis of this chart, of this trade that we are going on right now, they are holding right now. We are in a trade currently, and we are making profits, guys. All right, we are making a lot of profits. All right, so this is it. This is our Telegram. You can see we are having our special promotions, 50% discount. All right, we are now taking $25 instead of $50 for 3 months VIP signals, guys. 3 months. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a lifetime opportunity. All right, so if you want our lifetime signals, that means you get to pay $50 instead of $100, and you get our VIP signals for life, for the rest of your life. You don't have any problems worrying about trading, worrying about losing your account, because we give accurate signals. We give signals with at least 95% accuracy. We only give high probability signals. All right, so you feel free to join us. Lifetime mentorship. You want to learn how to trade by yourself. All right, we are currently taking people in for just $150 instead of $100, guys. It is very affordable. The promotions ends tomorrow after my birthday celebrations. I'm doing this to celebrate my birthday. I'm doing this to give back to you guys, because you guys have done much for me. You guys have helped me grow, and I want to see every other person grow too. So you can see we are making a lot of money, guys. We are making a lot of money. We also, all right, so we also give trading tips. We teach you guys. We don't just give you signals. We give you guys ideas on how to grow your small accounts and how to make good entries, guys. So feel free to join us. It's very free. I'm going to drop the link of this channel on the description of this post right now. So you guys feel free to join us. All right, feel free to join us. It's very affordable. All right, so let's get back to it. We are still in profits, massive profits, guys. The VIPs are winning, and that's very important. You see where we took the trade. You see the first entry. Look at how we rode all the way down to this level. All right, there was a resistance around this base. That's why you are seeing this pullback. All right, but we knew very well that it wasn't going to be hit. It wasn't going to come back to us. It wasn't going to come back to our entry. So we held, and then it started pushing back up at this level. All right, that's why we entered the next position here. Right, you see where we entered the next position, and then we moved our SL to this level. All right, and now we are still winning, guys. We are still winning. So how does this work? I'll show you guys how it works. For if you are not very good with this, don't use this strategy for step. Just use it with boom and crash. Don't use it for step index, guys. Do not use it for step index if you are not good with it. If you are not a good trader, don't use it with step. Try to use it with boom and crash first. Matter of fact, I need you guys to use your demo account to practice this for a long time before you get to use your real account. Practice it and be perfect with it first with your demo account, and then you can go on to make money with it. All right, you can make a lot of money. We make up to like $300-400 every day, and this is very possible, guys. It's very possible. So how does this work? All right, I'll show you guys the settings. So I'm just going to show you how it works. This is step though. All right, this is step though. So let's go to boom 1000. Oh, I did show you guys how it works for boom. So let's go for crash. All right, let's go for crash. Like I said yesterday, if you want to be catching spikes, you are looking to enter a sell, right? And you're looking to have the market in a downtrend, right? So if these conditions are not met, you don't think of catching spikes. Instead, you can just be scalping and getting a couple of candlesticks and making couple of profits, and then you leave the market ASAP, right? Okay, so first thing you do is go to your higher time frame. Go to a higher time frame, yeah. All right, and make sure the market is on the downside. It's on the downtrend, right? Okay, so in this case, right? In this case, imagine this is the downtrend right now. You can see series of lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and lower highs, and lower lows, and lower highs. All right, so you'll be catching spikes if you had entered this market here, if you had bought, if you had sold this here. All right, because all you need to do is just wait to see the market cross over. All right, let the market cross these two indicators, your moving averages. Once it crosses, you are good to take a sell, right? So you sell to the downside and you catch multiple spikes. All right, but then you have to go to the 30 minutes time frame. You do this on the 30 minutes time frame, guys. You do this on the 30 minutes time frame. You only go to your higher time frame to check the market condition, to know the market structure. All right, so this is it. If you had entered this market, if you are told here, after it crosses your moving averages, if you are sold here, you'll be taking a lot of spikes all the way down. Imagine how much you make from these guys, and your stop loss will be somewhere around here. All right, imagine entering here and your stop loss is here, right? And you are taking all the way down, guys. A lot of money will be made. A lot of money will be made. So this is how you can catch spikes. Let's go over to how you can just scalp and take a couple of candlesticks. All right, so right, okay, let me show you more examples where this works. Right, this is another one. This is an area of value here. Excuse me. You can see my trend line, right? So the price crosses here, it crosses here. All right, okay, see, it crosses here, and then you take a sell, put your stop loss here. All right, you take a sell, you see, you catch a lot of spikes, multiple spikes to the downside. You make a lot of money, guys. You make a lot of money. All right, you make a lot of money very conveniently, right? Very conveniently. So how do you do this for catching a couple of candlesticks? So if you check the market and it's not in a downtrend, for crash for example, and you have the price at your key level, but the market in a higher time frame is not in a downtrend, you are not looking to catch spikes at this point. You are just looking to scalp, take a couple of candlesticks, and leave the market. Leave the market as soon as you catch a couple of candlesticks, 4-5 candlesticks. Leave the market. Be comfortable with the little profit you make. Don't be too greedy, because this market doesn't belong to anybody, guys. Anything can happen at any time. All right, so what do? If you want to scalp, you go to the market. You can't wait for the market to be in a downtrend before you can think of catching spikes. All right, but then the price is at your key level, your resistance or your support or whatever it is. The market is at your key level, and you just want to take a couple of candlesticks, so you can actually take a sell for crash. All right, you can actually take a sell, take a couple of candlesticks. You are very sure the market is not in a downtrend, which means there might be spikes or there might not be spikes, right? So you just want to catch a couple of candlesticks and then you leave the market. This is how this works. It's very simple. It's very simple. I'm going to show you examples. Did I get to check? Let me go to a higher time frame. Okay, this is a downtrend, so you'll be catching multiple spikes here. So you see, it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. I can go on and show you more and more and more and more examples where these powerful indicators work together and make you the most money, guys. A lot of money. So right here, right, this is a crash, but the market is at your key level, and you know it's going to give you a couple of candlesticks up. You can enter the market when it crosses from here. All right, imagine taking a trade here, but you know this is not right. You're just trying to be smart. You're just trying to catch a couple of candlesticks and leave. So you don't want to wait till it rises all the way to the top like it did here. All right, it might happen, but it's very risky. So you just want to catch a couple of candlesticks and leave the market. All right, I'll show you more examples. Where you can just scalp. All right, in this case you'll be taking multiple spikes. All right, it crosses here, and your stop loss is somewhere around here, and you enter around here. You'll be catching a lot of multiple spikes to the downside. All right, a lot of them. All right, so okay, that's it. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that call. A call just came in. All right, so that's it, guys. I can show you more and more, but I don't want this video to be very long, guys. I believe you've learned from this video already, and as it is a continuation of the video I made yesterday, you can go to my previous post and see how this really works for boom and crash. So yep, thank you guys for your time. All right, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting more strategies and more tips on how to make money, trading the forex market as a pro. So stay tuned, guys. Turn on your notification bell so that when I post the new video, it will get to you soon. Take care. See you guys soon.